morning. Look at the snow we got last night. This is the first significant snowfall we had in the lower part of Michigan. And we are about right there. I don't know if you can see that dot. We can use the hand for our map of our state. But anyways, we got some snow. And we're going to be leaving in a few days to go to the U, which is on top of the Mitt. And we'll be there for 2 weeks. And anyways, really excited about doing that because we're going to take some film and we're going to go to Manistee and then we're going to Gwinn, Michigan. So we'll be taking some trail video, and since we're trail riders, and we've been doing that for over 33 years, since this is our 33rd year wedding anniversary, and we snowmobiled every single year of them. And so we're excited about that. And now that we're not in our 20s, 30s, we kind of want to show you our world that we've come to grow and love. And now we kind of just take a little bit of time and look at the view and just love it. We just love our Michigan. We love the 4 seasons, and I'm going to do a video on some of women must-haves when I take up there, and just give you an idea of what we take. And we do Airbnbs now, so it's a lot of fun. Anyways, I'll see you inside.